welcome back to Nazareto's channel. In this episode I'm going to show you something simple, how to plug a tire, and you can fix it yourself. So let me show you. Alright, so you see here there's a nail, and this tire is, flat. This is our spare, so we're gonna fix it. You need to have like some kind of pliers, like that has sharp edges, like it's called nose pliers. We're gonna try to pull this nail out. Hold the wheel, hold it. It's gonna be hard because this nail is already worn out, but all I need just to grab a little. Oh, there was a screw, see? Yeah, I think it's already broke. So this part was sitting inside and this part I already shaved off, so it's causing a problem. Alright guys, so we're gonna plug this tire. You need to have these tools. Like one looks like this and one looks like this, and also here I have some glue and I have these plugs. So let me show you how it's done. First thing we do, we take this tool right here with these rough edges, kind of like this, and we kind of plug it into the hole. It's kind of hard. See, it's in. So start turning. And then once it's, do this. Do this until it's kind of goes nice, easy, All right, cool. Now you see, look at this hole right here. Nice. You can do one more time if you want. See, it goes much easier now. Good. So for this next step, we have to take this like rubbery string. You see here? I take the bigger, fatter one, and stick it through here. Like so. It's good to have gloves, but alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of this Gorilla Glue. Like this step is very important. You have to have some kind of glue so it actually seals nicely. Put a little dab of glue all around here. Plug it in, push it all the way in. And then pull it out. You see what I did? All right, so we plugged the tire, right? Don't worry about this, cleaning this right now. And we're gonna inflate this tire. And this gonna dry. And when you're gonna drive, this gonna kind of rub off. Or you can take a knife, like a sharp knife, and just cut this piece. That's what we're gonna do. But at this moment, we wanna inflate the tire. We're gonna inflate this tire to 35 psi, and if you do want to know what's the right amount of air to put, what's the pressure you need, let me show you. Open the driver's side door. You should have a sticker here, and it should show you, see, 33 psi. This is the pressure you want to put in the tire. We got this awesome pump, and we're gonna inflate this to 35. See, it's already, that's 35. We're gonna down to 33, and we're gonna hit air, and then it's gonna stop by itself. Our pump stopped at 33 psi. We're gonna disconnect it. My nephew is lifting the car up. Well, one thing, I'm gonna cut this piece off right here. So take a razor blade or like a utility knife and just cut this piece, nice and easy. Just go back and forth and cut this piece. I mean, when you're gonna be driving, this piece is actually gonna wear out. You see how we did it very nicely? We just cut this piece out like this, and that's it. We sealed this. Plug the hole. Okay, Now we install the tire back and hope for the best. But from experience, I did this many times and there were no issues. This plug holds many years already. So we have a plug right here. And that's how you plug the tire. Thanks for watching Nazareto's channel, and now you know how to plug your old tire. See you in the next video.